In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in ChatGPT. This is a straightforward process and can be done right from your computer or mobile device. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you like best. In the search bar, type in ChatGPT and hit enter. This is the best way to navigate straight to the official site rather than typing in a URL from memory, which can sometimes lead to mistakes or unsafe sites. Once the search results pop up, take a moment to scan for the official ChatGPT link. It's important to ensure that the URL looks correct and secure. Keep an eye out for that little padlock icon in the address bar, which indicates that the site is safe. Click on the right link to open ChatGPT, and if the welcome screen appears, congratulations! You've landed on the right page. Next, you'll need to sign in. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your workspace, and you can skip ahead. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and choose your usual sign-in method. This could involve entering an email and password or verifying with other authentication methods. Just remember to keep your account information private and only enter your credentials on the official site to protect your account. Once you're all signed in, look for your profile icon. Depending on what device you're using, this icon is typically found in the bottom left corner if you're on a desktop, or in the top right corner in some mobile layouts. Click or tap on that area to pull up your account menu. Inside this menu, you'll find your account name along with other relevant settings. This menu is the quickest path to updating your display name, which is how others will see you when you chat or collaborate. Now find your current display name and click on it. You should notice that it becomes editable, with a text field popping up that allows you to make changes. This name is crucial, as it represents you on your account, so choose wisely. If you're using ChatGPT for work, something clear and professional might be the best route. On the other hand, if you're using it for personal reasons, feel free to choose something friendly and recognizable. Take your time typing in your new name. Pay careful attention to the capitalization and spelling, because every detail counts. You might want to keep your new name concise, allowing it to look neat and organized in all menus. Also, a small tip: certain special characters or emojis may not display consistently across different devices or platforms, so if you prefer a polished appearance, sticking with standard letters and spaces is probably your best bet. Once you're satisfied with your new name, look for the Save button and click it. This will confirm your changes and apply them to your account. Sometimes, after saving, the page might take a moment to reflect your new name. If you don't see the change immediately, a quick refresh of the page usually does the trick. And there you have it. Your display name is now updated. This change should carry across sessions and devices, meaning whenever you sign in again, you'll see your new name. Thanks for tuning in to today's video, and I hope you enjoy your updated profile in ChatGPT. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy chatting and see you next time.